siasa. Kindiki Kithure riu niarĩkĩtie kana muthenya wa umuthi niacabithirie uheyani wa ibandi cia kiriu ngathitiini ya thirikari kuringana na ndumiriri ya mwandiki mukaru ruhongeini rwa thama o hamwe na uheyani motungata kana motungata ma thirikari no ria wikaine ta Julius bitok ni ataririe ati undu uyu ni ukuteithĩrĩria thirikari na makiria ona moigie gukorwo makinyihanyihirwo ni mitongoro minene ya raini ria maragia ni gukorwo kemukira motungata ma thirikari. Oho akiaraniria na andiki a mohoro ni ataririe ati thirikari iri na muroto wa kurogotaga kigina kia makiria ma ciringi milioni kana milioni 350 o muthenya kugerera mutambo wa e-citizen. Shege wa wajo ki ni aratariria
administration and internal security.
Akiaria ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugitiri na wandikithia wa muingi, mwandiki mukaru ruhongeini rwa thama na wandikithia wa muingi barothi ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi prof kindiki muthenya wa umuthi ni acabithirie mihango ya kuheana ibandi cia kiriu ngathitiini ya thirikari.
And we are given authority to start doing a pilot of this Maisha number. So I'm happy to report to this committee that this morning the Cabinet Secretary for Interior gazetted regulations for Maisha number. So we have new regulations which are going to govern Maisha number. And I want to say that we are ready to be guided by the committee.
Agicokia kiuria gia kuria indo iria cirahuthikaga kuheana ibandi cia tene ciguthie, bitok augite ati macini ithatu ni magucihuthira gucabithia ibandi icio cia kiriu na makiria kandi cia tene cihuthirwo gucabithia ibandi ingi ta cia arutwo a thukuru hamwe na cia aruti a wira wa muingi.
We discussed extensively about the cards which are in government printer. We have proposed to the government to utilize them for civil servant cards, student ID cards, because those are resources bought by the government. But there are things we are going to utilize from Huduma. One is the database. We are not going to ask Kenyans to register afresh. We are going to use the existing data that was captured during that time for this Maisha solution. Two, we are also having state-of-art printers at the government, 3 of them, which are the latest technology. We are going to use those cards also, those machines, to be able to print these cards. And we have agreed with my team. We are going to decentralize print.
Oho bitok ni atariria kamiti yo ati ni magathikite motungata ngiri 11 mutambo-ini wa e-citizen na kongerera ati thirikari ni yongereire kigina kiria rogotaga mutambo-ini ucio kuma milioni 50 nginyagia milioni 350 o muthenya na kugikinyiria muthia wa mwaka uyu irongoreirie gukorwo kirogota ciringi bilioni 1 o muthenya
to ensure that we are able to achieve the precision directive. And right now, as I reported, we have moved the services from 5,000. We are now at 11,000, and we are counting. We have identified more than 14,000 services so far, but what now the wananchi are enjoying are about 11,000 services online. And as I had said, this has also helped us increase the revenue collection from 50 million on e-citizen platform to right now 300 million per day. We are saying that's per day. And we are very optimistic that within the next few months, we should be able to move this from 300 million.
Akimurika ucabithia wa passport, bitok augite ati murigo wa passport makiria ma 150 uria wari ho riu ni unyihite nginyagia passport 25 na wona maratathi 6,000 maria maguritwo makinya hamwe na machini igiri iria ciririgirirwo mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka-ini ukite murigo ucio ni ukuninwo kaimana.
On the printers, as I had said, with the help of the committee, we were able to get the 140 million that we used to procure the printers. We have asked the manufacturer to manufacture the printers, and they have told us by January they'll be here, the 2 printers that you helped us purchase recently.
Makiria bitok ni augite ati ucabithia wa passport cia na ihenya uratafanio kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 na wona machini icio cia kinya mihango yo iritafanagio kwa ihinda ria thikũ 7. Handũ-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Shege wa Wajohi.